Digistory 24 is Virtual Marketplace. It's a platform that connects digital product creators with eager customers. Sellers can offer a wide range of products, from ebooks and software to online courses and more. To become a seller on Digistore 24, start by creating an account. Fill in your business details and payment preferences. This is the hub from which you'll manage your products and sales. Navigate to the My Products section. Here, you can upload your digital products, set prices, and craft compelling descriptions to entice potential buyers. Connect your preferred payment gateway like PayPal or direct bank transfers. This ensures you receive payment securely. The Digistore 24 Marketplace is your treasure trove of digital delights. Browse categories, discover products that resonate with you, and prepare to level up your knowledge and skills. Here's where things get even more exciting. As a seller, you can set up affiliate programs. This means other individuals or affiliates can promote your products and earn a commission for each sale they drive to your store. Affiliates earn a commission, sellers make sales, and buyers get quality products. It's a win-win-win scenario that fosters collaboration and success. Creators choose a specific niche or topic that they are passionate about and believe will resonate with a target audience. This niche can range from gaming, educational content,
will increase the potential of a car,
animation,
The cat and his owner is like,
tutorials,
Spoiler alert, it ain't this one.
product reviews,
It makes no sense.
and more. Creators produce videos related to their chosen niche. In faceless YouTube niches, the creator's face is either not shown at all or is shown in a way that doesn't reveal their identity. This can be achieved with animation, screen recording, voiceover narration, or other creative methods. Regardless of whether the creator shows their face, the quality of the content remains crucial. Well-researched, engaging, and valuable content will help attract and retain viewers. Creators engage with their audience through comments, social media, and other platforms. Faceless YouTube creators can monetize their content through various means, such as ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and Patreon support. First, you need to sign up, and in here, you just put your phone number, and then you can input your email, username, and the password, and you're good to go. So now the second requirement that you're going to be needing is a YouTube account. And if I'm going to presume that you already have a YouTube account since you're watching this video, and if you don't have one, you can just literally go into the YouTube website, click the icon that's going to be here, click register, and then register your free account. This method is completely free. So once you created your account on YouTube, what you want to be doing is you want to go here on the left side of the YouTube website and you want to click gaming. And it's going to be taking you to this page right here because we want to be on this page because there are lots of games that are trending right now. And that's what YouTube is showing you at the moment. So what you want to do is you want to click on the latest, most trending game, which is at the moment Counter-Strike. You want to click on this game right now. Once you've clicked on Counter-Strike, you're going to notice that the players that have this game, they're running live streams. As you can see here, this one has 18,000 people watching it. This one has 20,000 people watching it. So now comes the good part. I'm going to show you a method that not many people know about. So now what you have to is go to the website. All you have to do is create an account, shorten your link, and earn money. As you can see here, you can also get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payeer. There's lots of payment methods, and you're going to click here, sign up. So what you have to do now is you choose a username, put your email in, and then you choose a password, and then you click register. So what you want to do is you want to get the link for the video. So you click here, you click on share, and then it's going to pop up a link. You're going to copy this link over here. You can just click copy over here. Click a lot of time, just make sure it's copied. So what you have to do once you're in your dashboard, you go here and new shorten link. And this little box is going to pop up for you to put down the link that you've just copied. Okay, paste the link over here. And then, since this video is about Counter-Strike, what you're going to do is you're going to write here Counter-Strike, just click shorten. So let's do this one. And we're going to be doing this with multiple videos. I want you to only focus on live streams because live streams are the ones that have the most people watching. And what you can do is download some footage of a video of Counter-Strike, and you can use the video downloader. Go to Canva, make a YouTube Shorts, and then you can point the link to the description for the person to watch, and every click on that link means earning.